Hello, this is Stefan with Luxon. Today I want to show you how we with Luxon control heating and cooling systems. We have a regular HVAC unit, like probably all of you have in your houses too, and realize a very cool functionality, the intelligent room control too. We zoomed up different rooms and areas in our houses to have the perfect temperature depending on time schedules in our rooms. The only thing, additionally, we have to install, therefore, is a damper. A damper, for all of you who never saw one, is a little device in the AC line which is controlling the airflow depending on the demand of heating or cooling we need. We have a standard damper with a motor installed in our system, so we don't need to make those changes manually. This damper is simply wired to our system, and so we control all the demand and all the airflow individually, room by room, and automatically from our system. We are now in our attic, where the main HVAC unit for our second floor is located. As you see on the main trunk line, the different rooms are connected. For example, here is our master suite with our sitting room, bathroom, and 2 lines for our bedroom. The only thing we added to the regular installation were our motorized damper with a home run cable to our main controlling unit, the Luxon mini server. So now we are already able to control each room individually by temperature and time schedules. If you have questions about that, just leave us a comment or go to luxon.com. We are happy to answer you.